Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can create a poll on Instagram group chat. Let's get started. Here I have opened my Instagram app on my phone. Then we're going to create a poll. So the first thing we should do is just clicking on this Instagram direct message option on the top right corner of your screen. And then you have to click on your group chat, and this is the group chat that I want to send a poll. So just tap on your group chat, and after that you can click on this sticker button, then click on poll since we want to make a poll. All right, and you can add poll questions right here. For example, I'm going to add this questions. After that we can add option right here, guys. Click add option, then you can put your options to be voted, for example like this. All right, and after that we can click on this button, create a poll. Okay guys, that's how we can create a poll on Instagram group chat. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.